It's like a dream to own like this type of land. Hey! That dude who didn't film it wasn't filmed right! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go! That's what we gotta do in the winter. Too cold, man. Alright guys, we're out here trying to get the XPECT to start. Look at this. Thing's dead. Dead completely.
Alright, but how's...
No.
No. At all.
Yeah, blank. That's a bird.
Yeah, I see it. They're chilling.
Yeah, that is facts. You don't need the bike to be on for it to give power. The battery automatically give power. Let's get it. That looks like it's about to snap off.
Yeah, but... No.
A little bit of electricity.
Yeah.
Should I try start? Oh, what the hell? It just said numbers on the screen. They're gone now, but the key's not even turned. Try. Yeah. But should I try kicking it? Should I wait? There we go.
No fucking...
We got it. Let it warm. Let me not give it any idle. Let it charge a little bit longer. Oh, no. It was falling. Hey, we got it started though. Yeah, just like get a little bit more of a charge and then disconnect. What was that, 5 kicks? And it felt like...
I really thought you needed, because you said...
Yeah, because we got starter fluid right there.
You said it
No,
hasn't been
listen, the
started.
first 3 kicks, you felt it, you heard it, right? There was no compression. The 4th and the 5th, the compression came back. Kind of weird. It felt like it was like nothing. It felt like the exhaust was off, but it's not. Hey, I'm glad it's on though. We got to run it. Come now. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work. You know? All right. Yeah. All right. Let it warm up and then I'll give it some revs. And then we'll switch over to the, what's it called?
Oh, you want to go ride it?
Yeah. 9,883. So that's really 11,883. So we're about to hit 12,000 on this bike. 12,000. Wow. Oh, shit. I'm stuck. Pin it. Yeah. Hopefully it's good. Where's that? It feels good to be riding again though. For real. That's good, bro. This is like my niche, you know? Like niche, like something that I love to do pretty much. That I have fun doing, it's the bike, you know? I like doing all types, like I like video making. I like doing all types of videos, but this is like the best thing to make, the bike videos, because I have fun the whole time because I'm riding the bike. So it's pretty much like my niche. You guys know what that means. Try to close this. It's getting foggy though. Yeah, yours is fogging up too.
Huh?
Yours is fogging up too.
Nah, I'm just looking at
About to die around the corner. I had to hold the gas. I felt it. It was like turning. It was about to die. Like, fuck, I'm not letting you die. I should just hit the grass right here, right? Right? I think I should. Excited, as you can tell. Got the bike running again. That voice crack though. Where's Bobby? Oh, you didn't make the light. Damn it. Yeah, I'm a little excited. It feels good. It feels good to be back on the bike. Turn it up. That 93 only. Only that premium. That watered down gas. You getting some too? That water gas? Only $4. Get yourself a LIFAN XPECT. $4.76 in my receipt. Getting some of that premium water? That premium water?
Oh yeah, brother. You know. That's what I was doing.
That's what they used to say when I was in school. They're like, yeah, I'm going to Forbes after we get out. I'm getting that water cask. Maybe because it's so cheap, they say it's like watered down. How much is it altogether? Fill it up.
I did that. Yeah, you did do that.
You did, Byron. Oh, $3.80. Get yourself a KP. Even cheaper. Yeah. You see, people are gonna probably pull in and think like the spot's empty, and then they see my bike. Like, oh. See if we can get it to start. Don't want to have to pull out the jumper. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let's get. Yeah, once it's warm, it doesn't have a problem. It's when it's cold. Go ahead. engine's cold, it does not want to start. Oh my God!
No, that
Oh,
was
yeah. Oh, Fiat? Oh my God! Good. Back to the Kia. It's coming down a little better.
No, it's going to my eye now. I gotta
Yeah,
close it.
I might have to close this. How we doing? I'm not gonna rev it though. Last time I revved it, it burned a hole through my glove. I am revving it.
That's what happened to me once.
Yeah, it burns it. You gotta keep it a little farther. I don't know why this lady's so far back though.
Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna get the light.
Oh. Yo, you saw that guy? He said. Close to this park I want to go to, so let's head out there. just want to explore this park. I see there's car tracks here, obviously. The middle's not worn down, and the sides are. So clearly cars come up here. So I was figuring the bikes would be fine as long as we're not ripping stuff up. I'm just gonna go out here and explore. It smells like I ran over some poop. I hope not. Oh, buddy. Come on, man. His end. Definitely ran over some dog poop or something. Ah. Definitely. Smell it. Oh, yeah, this is like a hiking trail or something. Yeah, there's a bunch of cars in the parking lot.
Oh my goodness.
This is obviously a car track, though. The middle is not worn down, and then the sides are. So clearly cars came back here, or quads, or something. But it looks like the trail just ends. So I guess we're gonna head back. It's fucking freezing. It's freezing today. Huh?
I cannot feel my fingers.
Me either. At all.
He's not liking it. Pretty much a lot.
Huh?
It looks like us to be warmer.
Why? Yours isn't?
No.
What?
Yeah.
Really? Don't put it too close. You're gonna burn yourself.
Oh shit, I got warm like this. This is not hopeful.
You gotta rev this one. This one gotta be revved. Yeah. It's a cold winter. I don't know how I did it all last year. If you guys check out some of my videos, you'll see I rode throughout the whole winter. And I was riding to work every day. In the cold, everything. I don't know how I did it.
Could not do that.
I don't know how I did. That was
I don't know how
crazy.
you get on the highway and the high mile wind going.
Yeah, this, yeah.
Just spinning it. Just sitting it on.
Yeah, but the KP was even colder on the KP when I was riding the KP to work. That was way colder.
We were riding that with knobs on it.
Yeah.
Legit in the winter.
In the snow, in a blizzard.
You
You can check one of the, what is the video? It's called like, I broke my $800 camera. I was riding in a blizzard to work. Literally like, it was like I think it was 1.5 feet of snow. It was insane. This guy's like, oh, you're crazy. And I was doing donuts in a parking lot and stuff. Oh, it was insane. It was insane.
I'm our manager, our own manager. My hands are a little warm, but
Yeah. You want to head out? It's a little too cold to keep riding.
yeah, no, it is.
And the snow don't help either.
Well,
You can see my tire marks. We're really showing some power now. that torque. Some of that good old torque. Now who did it? Throwing down some of that torque. Mine won't grip. Mine would not grip.
That's the first one I have to give it to.
What's the tire? Really?
I have nothing to get a burn out yet.
Yeah, you're crazy. I got, yeah, just holding it. I used to just sit in traffic and hold the burnout on this bike. I really did not care. Huh? Yeah, that's right. Ugh.
Now you have a smile on your face.
It's cold. Yeah, guys, it's too cold. We can't continue. I'll throw up like a screenshot of how cold it is, like the temperature. At home now. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.